Alright guys, what it do? It's your boy Exit back with another video, and in today's video we're going to give you another dividend portfolio update. Everything's going pretty good with the portfolio. It's growing at an alarming rate. Due to me being debt free, I'm really allowed to really keen in and focus on my dividend portfolios so I can reach my goal of 100K invested. Big hype. I'm looking forward to it. But let's just dive right into the portfolio. We dive into the dividend portfolio, I just want you guys to don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Literally smash that like button, destroy it, turn it blue, do whatever you do, as long as you hit it. Most definitely appreciate it, but most definitely subscribe to the channel so you guys can come with me on my journey to 100K. I'm doing this so you guys can literally see it, so you guys can be there every step of the way. I want you guys to see it, understand it, and potentially really do it yourself, so that way you can start to make passive income. But just hit the subscribe for me, more definitely like this video, and let's just dive right in. So as you guys can see, my portfolio is sitting at a whopping 11K. Did pretty good on investing into it this week. I invested about $1,500 due to the drops and everything. I was able to get, secure a couple of decent stocks and shares to add to the portfolio, and we're just going to go over those today. So as you can see here, I did buy Vanguard's total bond market ETF. I haven't got a share yet. I'm sitting at 0.85 share. It's about $88, so I invested a total of $76 into that. So that's that. I also invested in ESG, which is also another ETF that I invested in. It's about $65. It's pretty much like just greenhouse stocks. Pretty good to have. I truly believe this one here is going to be one of my keen ones to have in the future. But as of right now, I have 1.623 shares, and I bought them at $64. And I paid about $106 for those. Now, like I said, the reason I like this ETF here is I found out about it from another YouTuber, which was Andrew Jake. He does stock portfolio, things of that nature, and he mentioned this stock, and I have never heard of this ETF. And like I said, it's just everything that's good, energy efficient, solar panel battery. This is what this stock consists of. All the companies is like pretty good for like Tesla and things of that nature. This stock invests in all those companies. So if you want to invest in a stock that's only look for things that will benefit and help the earth itself, this is an ETF that you most definitely like, because I know some people frown upon investing in cigarette companies and things of that nature. This does not invest in any of those. It's only investing in anything green, energy efficient, and just overall good stocks. But like I said, another stock I bought was Vanguard VTSE Developed Market, and their stock is about $42.46. I have 2.8 shares of that stock, and I invest about $121 in. So 2.8, $42, and that's $121. And the last stock I dumped a decent amount of money in is, of course, my Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. And the stock price of this stock is $179.26. This stock is very, 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 very good. It's pretty much the opposite of VOO, whereas VOO is an ETF and it tracks the stock market, but VOO only tracks the top 10 companies, like Google, Facebook, Tesla, Apple. VOO mainly tracks those, whereas VTI, it tracks the total stock market. It pretty much all the stocks in the stock market. And I was trying to debate which one I wanted, whether it be VOO or VTI. And I chose VTI due to the fact that it has significant growth. And like I said, I would rather have the entire market from this one ETF. Just holding this one ETF will allow me to have the entire stock market in one stock, and I think that's pretty sweet. So that's why I chose this one on the VOO. I do know a lot of people do like and prefer VOO, but me, I'm gonna rock with the VTI. But like I said, for VTI, I have 6.7 shares of that. The share price without bottom it was like $177. And yeah, I invested $1,210 into that. Now these are the main 4 stocks that I invested in. There will be VTI, VEA, Vanguard Bond, and ESGV. ESGV. I bought all of these stocks, and like I said, I spent about $1,500 a week. I just pretty much put in about $500 3 days this week. Probably more than likely, I think I did it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So these are the ones that I actually invested in, which brought my portfolio up to 11,000. One step closer. But just by adding these portfolios, you'll see that my annual income has increased to $680 a year. Pretty sweet, and that's pretty hype like that. But pretty much the Vanguard bond, it does pay out monthly. I don't have a significant amount of that yet, but they're supposed to pay out in November for 15 cents. Like I said, I don't have a lot of those, but in due time. And as far as ESGI, as you can see right now, I'm only producing $1 a year. Also with the bonds, I'm also producing $1 a year. And with VEA, I am still producing $2 annually. And with VTI, I'm roughly adding $19 annually for a grand total of 9 plus 1 plus 1. That's 21 plus, what's that? 23. I added $23 to my annual income for my portfolio thus far. I do expect some dividends, and within the next couple weeks, there's gonna be big hype. And I'm really looking for the market, for some good buys in the market. But like I said, I do invest $500 a week, and I did this all by going to work. Nothing more, nothing simple. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Just $500 a week. You don't have to do 500. You can always do 100, 50, $20, whatever it is. Just be consistent with it and just watch it grow. I know as of right now, everybody thinking $680 annually is not a big thing, but in due time, you would see once I hit that $1,000 mark, $1,200 mark, $2,000 mark, that okay, things are gonna start rolling a lot quicker due to the snowball effect. But in due time, we'll definitely stick around for that. Like I said, my name is Exia. This is my YouTube channel. I'm going to present to you guys my dividend portfolio from start to finish on my journey to my first 100K invested. I'm going to show you guys all the stocks I picked, why I picked them, how much they're paying out, how much I put in. I'm going to give you guys the full picture so that way you can see it and potentially start your journey of looking for a passive income where you can get paid to literally do nothing. The dream, right? But in due time, and do not forget to like this video. Most definitely subscribe to the channel, so that way you keep an update on every portfolio update I give. I try to do at least one a week, but stay tuned. It's your boy Exia, and I'm out.